How to make a lightweight block shape glitch in Alight Motion. In the last video, I showed how to make this glitch. Now I'll show you how to make the block shape glitch. Add a rectangle and make it fill the composition. Then add the block dissolve effect from the opacity visibility category. Increase the size property and adjust the strength. Then increase the width of the block by adjusting the X value of the stretch property. Add keyframes for the seed property and animate it to make the blocks flicker. Now add the displacement map effect from the distortion warp category. Move the offset left or right until you get something to your liking. This is extremely bare bones and you'll have to add more effects to make it look cool. Adjusting the size and strength of the block dissolve effect will give you varying results. I called it a lightweight glitch because I've seen most tutorials use a rectangle along with a scatter repeat effect to make this block shape glitch. Scatter repeat effect is just too heavy for a glitch. That's about it. Bye bye.